My name's Andy Kwok. I'm the son of the founder of The Good Earth. My father came to the UK from Hong Kong in 1957. The Good Earth has been running for 40 years. We're 40 years old this year, in fact. And in that time, we have established 4 restaurants. We have 4 expresses, which are takeaway units of our business, and we've gone into partnership with some online platforms. As a group, we were quite innovative. We used POS, which was the point of sale, electronic point of sale system, very early on, so we're early adopters of technology. And I think whenever there's new technology in terms of improving the operations and the flow of the business, we will look into it and, if possible, adopt it. So we have our own app which allows consumers to order takeaways and deliveries. So we can deliver food to their door, or they can come and pick it up. So those are the 2 options, as well as choosing which branch they can order from. So if they're, for example, visiting friends away from home and we have a restaurant nearby, they can use their app and order for their friends. If any small business is thinking of setting up their own app, where it be online for ordering food or reservation system, do it. Consumers now expect to have access to your business online, whether it be just a website or even better, an app, as well as being able to pay and do transactions online.